Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to add product videos to galleries and boost sales using the Woo Gallery plugin. Adding videos to your product galleries is a great way to showcase product features and specifications, giving customers a better understanding of what they're buying. This helps build customer confidence, improves engagement, and ultimately increases conversions. So let's get started. First, navigate to Products, All Products, and open the product where you want to add videos. With Woo Gallery, you can add videos to both the featured product image and the gallery images. Let's start by adding a video to the featured image. Click on the featured image and the WordPress Media Attachment Details window will appear. At the bottom, you'll find an input field called Video Link. Simply paste your product video URL into this field. Woo Gallery supports videos from multiple sources, including YouTube, Vimeo, and self-hosted videos. For this demonstration, I'm adding a YouTube video link. After adding the video link, you can choose whether you want to hide the video on the shop page. Once everything looks good, click Set Product Image to save the changes. Now, let's add a video to the product gallery images. Click Add Product Gallery Images to open the WordPress Media Library. Select the image you want to attach a video to, and again, you'll see the video link input field. This time, I'm adding a self-hosted video link. After adding the video link, click Add to Gallery. And just like that, the video is now attached to the gallery image. Once you're done adding videos, click the Update button to save all the product changes. Now let's visit the product page. As you can see, the videos are successfully added to the product gallery, allowing customers to watch product demonstrations directly from the gallery slider. But that's not all. Woo Gallery also gives you complete control over how your product videos appear and behave. You can customize the video play mode by displaying videos either inline within the gallery or in a pop-up lightbox. You can choose from multiple video play icons or even upload your own custom icon to match your store design. You also have the option to enable or disable features like autoplay and video looping. For self-hosted videos, you can further customize the video player controls and adjust the video placement position inside the gallery layout. These customization options help you create a more interactive and professional shopping experience for your customers. And that's it! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Woo Gallery tutorials for more useful tips.